Hey y'all, Irix guy here, and I had a fever and kind of a scratchy throat, so I'm like, I'm going to go ahead and COVID test myself. So I've got this COVID kit and picked it up at a pharmacy, and it says Binax Now COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test for Infection Detection. Easy, a simple nasal swab, fast. 15 results in 15 minutes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this sucker unboxed. And let's see. Take it out of the box here. And I have empty box. The COVID-19 antigen self-test. And some other information. I get this pack. I've got this pack. I've got two of these sticks, these little swabbies, and then two of these things here. So this actually has two tests. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to read the instructions. It is worth mentioning nobody else here is around me. I took this out of the box, so the internals have not been contaminated, to my knowledge, in any way. So let's just go ahead and figure this out here. Prepare for the test. Wash or sanitize your hands. Make sure they are dry before starting. As I mentioned, everything is dry and I'm sanitized. I'm not around anybody else. Preparation for the test. Test card in pouch. Dropper, bottle, or this little doohickey right here. I'm going to use this doohickey. I'm going to use one swab, this, and a timing device. I've got a timing device on my wrist. So we're going to put the rest of this away. We know we don't need any extra. I'm just, I'm doing one test. This contains two tests. So, let's see. So we're going to open this. Okay. It's got a little, it says the COVID-19 AG card. Contains a harmless absorbent for humidity and odor. So I guess that's probably not relevant. So we're going to put this little card right here. Okay. And it says, remove test card from pouch and lay flat on table. Okay. Make sure the blue control line is present in the result. And there is. There's a blue line right there, which I'm not touching it, but there is a blue line. Open card flat on table. You may bend the spine in the opposite direction. It says do not touch the test strip, which I won't. Okay, so that's there. And there's these two little holes right here. It says remove the dropper cap and put 6 drops in the top hole. So per this diagram, the top hole would be the hole that's closest to this notch right here. It says swab both. Okay, so we're going to put 6 drops of this in there, in the top hole. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 drops. Now it says open the swab. On the stick end, so the end that doesn't have the, because if you were unknowingly contaminated, you wouldn't want to grab the swab. So we're going to grab this, It says insert entire soft tip of the swab into a nostril, usually at 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Using medium pressure, rub the swab against all of the inside walls of your nostril. Make at least 5 big circles. Do not just spin the swab. Each nostril must be swabbed for about 15 seconds. Using the same swab, repeat step 5 in your other nostril. So we're going to set a timer for 15 seconds. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 seconds.
Okay, 15 seconds and counting.
Okay, that's my right nostril. Same swab. Hey Siri, set timer for 15 seconds.
Okay, 15 seconds and counting.
Okay. Insert the tip of the swab into the bottom hole. Firmly push the swab tip from the bottom hole until it's visible in the top hole. And then twist 3 times to mix the swab with the drops. Uno, dos, tres. That's 3 times. And now, leave the swab in the card for the remainder of the test. Peel the adhesive off, which is this side right here. I'm going to peel off the adhesive. Close the card. Keep the card face side up, which is this side. Looks like a popsicle, a little lollipop. Now, wait 15 minutes. Do not read the result before 15 minutes or after 30 minutes. Hey Siri, set timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes and counting.
So now we're just going to sit here and wait for Siri to finish its thing. I'm not going to waste my camera battery, so I'm going to come back. We got 14 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. Okay, so my 15-minute timer is about to go off, and I'm going to take a photo of this as well. So I've got my test result properly documented. Hey Siri, how much time's remaining? 7 seconds. And it said, read the result at 15 minutes. Here we go. That's 15 minutes. So I've got my result documented there. And in good light here, there is the only thing that's present is the control line at the top. So that's in the control. It's above the notch. There is no visible line below the notch in the whether it be faintly visible or pronounced. There's nothing there. So I am COVID negative, dude. I'm COVID negative. But I've got another one of these if I ever have a fever or scratchy throat and all that, and I'm afraid I might have COVID. This wasn't as unpleasant as I thought it would be. The thought of going to a drive-thru and having a stick shoved up my nose by somebody I didn't know it's in a hurry, it's probably done it 5, 10, 15, 20, a few hundred people the same day. I just don't want to do that. So it's cool that that Abbott has created this product, and I was able to pick it up at a pharmacy. So that's really cool. So I've got another one. That is good to know. Peace of mind. Now I can rest assured that I don't have COVID. So that's a good thing. Y'all have a good day and be safe. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.